Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change Crunchyroll password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the bottom. You're gonna find all of the sections. So there is the home section, My Lists, Browse, Simulcasts, and lastly Account. Go ahead and click on Account, and then right here you're gonna find all of the options or the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. As you can see guys right here at the top, you're gonna find membership plan, notifications, my membership card, change email, change password, and lastly redeem promo code. So for if you want to change your Crunchyroll password, click on change password and then you're gonna be right here in this page. Once you're here, all you need to do guys is type your current password right here. I'm gonna type whatever. And then all you need to do guys is type the new password right here and confirm it right here. Once you do that, you can click on this little eye icon if you want to see your password to not make any mistake. Once you finish, go ahead and click on change password and then your password will be changed. As you can see guys, for me, I have this message saying we couldn't change your password. Please try again because I entered the wrong password. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.